Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to, draw a line segment CD, where CD is 9.5 cm. Thereafter, construct the perpendicular bisector of this line. So I'm going to mark a point here. That will be my line, point C, and I'm going to just draw a random line. And to show the working for 9.5 cm, I am going to make use of the compass to make sure that I measure 9.5 cm. And with this 9.5 cm, I am going to place the pointed tip onto point C, and I'm going to just draw an arc here. This will be 9.5 cm. Point D. Done. Next, construct the perpendicular bisector of CD. Now make sure this is more than half of the line that we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector. Put the pointer tip at one of the points, and notice that I am going to turn the paper, and it is more than half. I'm going to draw one arc here and one below. Alright, sorry. Next, move the pointer tip to the other point, making sure that I do not change the distance from the pencil to the pointer tip. And I'm going to draw an arc to intersect the previous arc, both on top and below. Last is to join the intersection points and this line will be the perpendicular bisector of this line CD, measured 9.5 cm. We have come to the end of this part of the video. Let's move on to another question.